New home construction for outdoor kitchens must include pest prevention features from the start to stop food and grease from inviting rodents and insects. Design sealed cabinets using continuous silicone or closed-cell foam gaskets and full-length magnetic or compression latches so no gaps allow insects or rodents to enter. Choose marine-grade stainless steel or exterior-rated plywood with edge banding to resist moisture and simplify cleaning. Specify cabinets elevated on sealed masonry or stainless steel legs that leave a visible crawl space for inspections and allow traps or bait stations to be placed without tearing cabinetry apart. Position the cooking and prep zone at least 5 feet away from the house foundation and grade the slab to shed water away from both foundation and cabinet bases to reduce moist hiding spots for pests. Install trash bins with self-closing, tight-fit lids and anchor them to prevent animals from tipping them over. And place a separate grease-only receptacle that is cleaned nightly with degreasers to limit odors. Store pet food and birdseed in rigid, rodent-resistant containers with locking lids, and keep them in a screened or separate storage locker, not in the main outdoor kitchen cabinets. For ongoing protection, use tamper-resistant bait stations placed along property perimeters and under discrete overhangs, checked monthly and rotated to avoid bait aversion, and consult a licensed pest professional before using professional-grade rodenticides. 3 common problems are food and grease residues that attract ants and roaches, gaps and unsealed junctions that allow rodents inside, and locating the kitchen too close to the house foundation, which creates travel corridors. Clean spills and grease immediately with degreasing cleaners and a brush to remove the scent trail that draws insects back. Then perform a weekly deep clean, wiping surfaces and interiors of cabinets. Seal every seam and cable entry with foam backer rod plus high-quality exterior silicone and cover ventilation gaps with 1/4 inch metal mesh so rodents cannot gnaw through. If placement is the issue, relocate future cooking islands or at least install a physical barrier and maintain a clear zone of gravel or hardscaping between the island and foundation to interrupt pest pathways. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting users with professionals who work on outdoor kitchen builds and pest prevention installations, and we provide tools to post projects and receive bids. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and compare local practices so we can all learn from each other.